Hello friends, I am very excited to announce the beta launch of our latest innovation XPNS.com, pronounced as Expense, India's first do-it-yourself SaaS platform by Zaggle to digitize expenses. India is at the cusp of a digital revolution, as all of you would know, and is home to about 10 million plus businesses. Expense automation till now has primarily been an assisted model. With the launch of XPNS, which is pronounced as Expense, Zaggle has automated the complete process of filing and reimbursing expenses, eliminating manual efforts. The self-service model enables businesses to seamlessly transition from a manual to a digital expense management process in less than 30 minutes. The return on investments for businesses extends beyond cost savings and includes higher employee satisfaction, better budgetary compliance, ability to manage working capital optimally, and insights for strategic decisioning. From the bottom of my heart, I want to thank all customers of Zaggle for championing the cause of financial automation within their organizations. A big thank you to all the Zagglers for working hard to make this product live. With Expense, we are more and more confident that customers will adopt it very successfully and also allow us to serve them more. Thank you very much.